I'm going to show you how you can decorate a gift tag so they don't look plain and just boring. So I'm going to decorate that, and I'm going to show you how to decorate that with some glitter. So I'm going to use the gift tag. So like I said, all you have to do is download the gift tag template, print it, cut it, and then you can just create your own hole by using a hole punch. I'm just going to use a stencil, so it doesn't matter what kind of stencil you're using. Now, I like to use stencils, and I don't really tend to use a lot of other mediums, but glitters and glues. So all I want to do is just change this gift tag from just a very plain gift tag to just adding just a little bit of drama to it. What I'm going to be using some wild glitter again, and I'm going to be using the seahorse, and I'm going to be using a girl's best friend. So let me just see if I can. So that's the seahorse, and then this is just a nice turquoisey colour. I really like that one. Now, normally what you would do is you just put a bit of tape on, and what you want to do is, if you're going to, I'm going to be using just a glue. I'm just going to use a plain glue, and I'm just going to add it to my sponge here, and I'm just going to dab the glue on, and I'm going to quickly pour the glitter on. So what I'm not worried about the glue getting onto here, because I'll just wash that off. So all you have to do is, I want to dab the glue onto my sponge. Okay, I'm just going to just choose some of the areas. So just let that drop. You want to dab it in quite firm. I'm just going to take one of the glitters, and I know it's going to stick to the sides as well, but I'm just going to try and keep it in the design cut. So this is a tricky bit. You just want to. So what I'll do with this is I'll wash this off straight away, and then I'm just going to take that off. So you can use the paste. So all you would do then is just mix the glitter with the paste, and then you could add that on. But I like things simple, easy and quick. So all I would do is very quickly wash that off. So now I'm just going to repeat the process with a different glitter. I'm going to try and fill that up a little bit more. So remember, this is not, we're not looking for very intricate work here. Just try and make sure you hold the template well. I'm trying to avoid the edges, so I'm not having too much of my glitter stick to the template. Okay, so you can see how that's created a really nice pattern. So it's just turned a plain boring little gift tag into something that looks so much better. So if you wanted to continue with that, all you would do then, let me just show you, I think I might just fill it up a little bit more. I'm just going to use this small flower here. And I'm going to use the Oh Dorothy glitter here. So I try and find ways of using the products that I have without having to worry about buying too many other things. Obviously you have to wash your template off very, very quickly, otherwise it might be a bit difficult to take it off. So that's a nice little glitter tag. You don't have to do too much to that. All you would do now is just let that dry off a little bit. And I think I'm going to just add a little bit more on the top as well. Always remember to put some paper underneath so you can catch your glitter. Okay, so that's your glitter tag. I mean, when you think about something like this, it's just a plain, if you look at it just plain, but then when you've added some glitter, when you've added some design yourself, it changes that from just a boring little gift tag to a beautifully designed, presented tag for your gifts, for your presentations, for your card making projects. Sometimes you have to know when to stop. I just feel like, because I think what I'll do as well, I'm going to let that one dry. This will wash off, so I'm not too worried about that. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take another gift tag here, and I'm going to first of all just create some just mood on the back, so we've got some colour on the back of the gift tag first, and then add the glitter to that. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be using my water pencils. I'm just going to just create a rough background before I print my glitter back on. What I like to do is, you know, when you have plain paper or you have something quite plain, just create a background with colours, with paint, with ink pads, whatever you have in your stash. And I'm just going to take my water pen. I'm just going to just let that all blend in. Now, you can see that it looks quite lined, so I just want to sort of blend those lines in a little bit as well. And then what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that that's really nice and dry. So my gift tag is all nice and dry now, and just has a very simple back colour to the tag. So again, I'm going to take my stencil. So like I said, you can wash this off in hot soapy water. So that's gone from just a plain boring old gift tag to a beautiful presentation that you can add to your gifts or to your gift baskets, your hampers, to your presents, bottle wrapping, so you can use the gift tags on anything. But I just wanted to show you how you can actually jazz up your gift tags by using the glitters.